Hi, in this video we will tackle if Eclipse Earn is actually legit. So here's are some features of it. So for the legitimacy, it's actually generally considered legitimate by some reviews, but concerns about transparency and recent registration have been raised. It actually offers user-friendly interface and simple sign-up process, and it also supports various cryptocurrencies with autonomous trading capabilities and market analysis tools. It actually has no software license fees. However, a minimum deposit of $250 is required. It claims to have advanced security measures, including SSL encryption, and customer support is 24/7. So there are actually some concerns because it's relatively a new platform with limited history. Potential red flags include vague content and connections to other questionable sites. However, it's still considered legitimate. So I hope this video helped you out a lot.